Doosan Heavy Industries Vietnam, or Doosan Vina, is a $300 million industrial complex, built on 110 hectares on the coast of central Vietnam's Quang Ngai province. The company specializes in the manufacture of power plant equipment to light the way, cargo container cranes that drive global commerce, desalination plants to quench the thirst of millions, modularization and high-tech structural steel for infrastructure and industrial projects. History. In November 2006, our investment certificate was granted, and on May 15, 2009 we held our grand opening. The first products were shipped in February 2009, signaling Doosan Vina's entry onto the global stage of heavy industry. Achievements. Until 2020, Doosan Vina has completed 335 projects that are now hard at work in 35 countries around the world. In total, the Made in Vietnam equipment produced by Doosan Vina weighs in at an impressive 440,000 tons. At Doosan Vina's boiler shop, we produced and are adding 18,120 megawatts of electricity to the grid of India, Brazil, Saudi Arabia, Japan, and in Vietnam that is for Mang Duong 2, Vinh Tan 4, Vinh Tan 4 Extension, Song Hao 1, and Ghi Sun 2. If this total megawatt is only for Vietnam, then it can supply enough electricity for the whole country in nearly 6 months. At the Material Handling Systems shop, we have produced a total of 89 cranes for some of the world's busiest ports like PSA in Singapore, JNPT, and BMCT in India, Samarinda of Indonesia, Saudi Global Port Saudi Arabia, and in Vietnam, Saigon New Port, the Port of Da Nang, the Port of the Ghi Sun Refinery, and Gemalink Port in Ba Ria Vung Tau. Over at the water shop, we proudly include the UAE, Chile, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Kuwait, and Bahrain as desalination customers. Our nearly 4,500 tons and as tall as a 5-story building desalination plants can produce nearly 1 billion liters of water per day to satisfy the daily needs of 2.5 million people. Also, we have been expanding our business to structural steel and modules for worldwide industrial projects, power plants, and refineries. Currently, we manufactured over 7,261 tons of modules which are installed at Ruwais Refinery in UAE for Samsung Engineering. Engineering. Engineers are at the core of our operations and represent nearly 23% of the workforce. That is planned to double in the next couple years. Most of the remaining workforce are skilled and highly trained technicians, who fabricate and manufacture our high-tech products for power, water, and port logistics. Key to our operations is the constant and consistent cooperation with our Korean headquarters staff to keep abreast of advancements in technology, design, safety, quality and production. CSR. In concert with business operations, Doosan Vina is deeply committed to its CSR, or Corporate Social Responsibility program, that focuses on health, education and housing. We believe these are basic foundations for a stable community. We cooperate with Chung Ang University Hospital of Seoul to bring doctors to Vietnam to examine, give medicine, free heart surgery, cleft lip, cataract, gynecological diseases for nearly 30,000 local residents, donate medical equipment and transfer technology to the local doctors. In addition, Doosan Vina has been involved in a series of other CSR activities, such as giving scholarships, upgrading schools, houses and notably as the donation of a near $1 million desalination plant to the people of An Binh Island. With revenue estimated at $200 million annually, Doosan Vina has been contributing a large amount to the Quang Ngai's total budget revenue, and increasing the value of export turnover. Doosan Vina is also bridging for other Korean FDIs to invest in Quang Ngai, improving the domestic mechanical sector by localizing our operations, and transferring expertise and technology to local companies. Our motto is, Building your tomorrow today is the thread that is woven into the fabric of all we do. And is our commitment to our customers, employees, and Vietnam. Proud people, proud Doosan.